Candy fanatics and curious minds, buckle up. Have you ever stared at a bag of M&Ms and thought, how in the world do they make so many? Well, today, your sweet tooth dreams are coming true. We're not just peeking behind the curtain, we're busting through the doors of what's called the world's biggest candy factory. I'm talking about a place where billions of sugary delights are born every single year. Get ready to have your mind absolutely blown by giant machines, dazzling production lines, and an amazing process that makes our favorite treats appear like magic. Our journey begins in Waco, Texas, home to the colossal Mars Wrigley factory. When I say colossal, I mean it. This isn't just big, it's huge. This isn't your grandma's kitchen, it's a sprawling empire dedicated to confectionery. This isn't just a candy factory, it's the biggest one in the world. Imagine a facility that stretches over 1.25 million square feet, an area so vast it could probably house its own small city of candy-loving residents. It's here that some of the most beloved candies on the planet come to life, day in and day out. Seriously, just wrap your head around this, millions of candies made every single day. That's not just a catchy slogan, that's the literal output of this magnificent facility. Think about your daily candy craving, now multiply it by, a few million. The sheer volume is mind-boggling. It takes an army of dedicated machines, cutting-edge technology, and a whole lot of sweet ingredients to keep up with that demand. From sunrise to sunset, and often through the night, these lines are buzzing, churning, and creating the treats we can't get enough of. It's a non-stop sweet symphony. Before we get to the fun part of colorful candies, let's talk about where it all begins, the raw materials. Imagine warehouses the size of football fields, stacked high with industrial-sized sacks of sugar, cocoa beans, nuts, and flavorings. These aren't just small bags from the grocery store, we're talking about ingredients delivered by the truckload, sometimes even by train car. The logistics alone are a marvel. Each ingredient is carefully sourced and meticulously checked before it even gets close to becoming your favorite snack. It's the foundation for billions of delicious moments. Now, let's talk chocolate, because what's a candy factory without it? While the Mars Wrigley factory is the biggest candy factory, the world's largest chocolate factory is Barry Callebaut in Wies, Belgium. But rest assured, chocolate flows like a river through these candy giants. Huge vats hold molten chocolate, kept at precise temperatures, ready to become coatings, fillings, or standalone treats. This isn't just melting chocolate chips, it's a sophisticated, continuous process, ensuring every drop is perfect. Imagine literally swimming in a river of chocolate, okay, maybe not, but you get the picture. Once the raw materials are ready, it's time for the mixing magic to happen. We're talking about colossal mixing vats, some as tall as a house, vigorously stirring hundreds, if not thousands, of pounds of ingredients at once. Imagine giant whisks working tirelessly, combining sugar, cocoa, milk, and other secret components into smooth, delectable batches. This isn't just about mixing, it's about achieving the perfect consistency and flavor profile for millions of individual candies. It's where the dry powders and liquids start their transformation into the sweet, sticky stuff we all love. This is where the candy truly starts to take shape, literally. Massive machines use intricate molds, extruders, and cutting tools to transform the gooey mixture into familiar forms. Think about the iconic M&M's lens shape, the distinct Snickers bar, or the chewy Skittles. Each requires a specialized process. Some mixtures are pressed into molds, others are extruded like Play-Doh then sliced, and some are spun into their spherical perfection. It's precision engineering at its sweetest, creating identical pieces ready for their next colorful adventure. The consistency is key when you're making millions. Ever wondered how M&Ms get their incredible, vibrant shells? It's a spectacular process. After being shaped, the chocolate centers tumble into massive rotating drums, almost like giant clothes dryers. Here, fine layers of colorful, sugary coating are sprayed on, one by one. Each layer dries before the next is applied, building up the characteristic crisp shell. It's a dance of heat, air, and precision spraying, creating that satisfying crunch and brilliant color. This isn't just adding dye, it's a careful, multi-stage coating that protects the chocolate and makes them so irresistibly appealing. And for Skittles? It's a similar, equally mesmerizing journey to achieve the taste the rainbow effect. After the initial chewy centers are formed, they too get their vibrant, fruity coatings in massive tumbling drums. But here, the focus is on those distinct, tangy flavors infused into the crisp shell. Imagine thousands of tiny Skittles rolling, turning, and gradually getting their signature smooth, colorful finish. Each color, each flavor, is carefully applied, ensuring that every Skittle delivers a burst of fruity joy. It's a visual and sensory feast in the making, all thanks to these incredible machines. But what about the layered masterpieces, like a Snickers bar? This isn't just one big blob. It's an architectural wonder of nougat, caramel, peanuts, and chocolate. Specialized machines work in perfect synchronicity, depositing layer after delicious layer onto a moving conveyor belt. First the nougat, then a thick blanket of gooey caramel, followed by perfectly roasted peanuts, and finally, a generous shower of rich milk chocolate enrobing it all. It's a symphony of textures and flavors, assembled with incredible speed and precision. Every single bar is built to perfection, billions of times over. If you ever visited this factory, you'd be in awe of the sheer network of conveyor belts. It's like a complex, bustling city of candy, with thousands of individual pieces zipping along their designated routes. Some belts are carrying raw ingredients, others are moving shaped candies through drying tunnels, and still others are shuttling finished products to packaging. These aren't just simple belts, they're high-speed, intelligent systems designed to minimize waste and maximize efficiency, ensuring a constant, unbroken flow of deliciousness. It's a ballet of belts, keeping millions of candies on the move. With millions of candies being produced daily, how do they ensure quality? Enter the sweet watchdogs. These factories employ a sophisticated mix of automated inspection systems and highly trained human eyes. Cameras with incredible resolution scan every single candy for imperfections in shape, color, or coating. Any rogue piece that doesn't meet the rigorous standards? Zapped off the line. But it's not just tech, human quality control specialists are constantly monitoring, tasting, and ensuring every batch lives up to the legendary Mars Wrigley name. No candy left behind, unless it's not perfect. Once candies pass quality control, they zoom into the packaging section, and this is where speed truly becomes an art form. Imagine machines that can bag, wrap, and box thousands of individual candies per minute. From the iconic M&M's bags to the neatly wrapped Snickers bars, it's all done by incredibly precise, high-speed machinery. Robotic arms might sort and stack, while other machines seal, label, and prepare entire pallets for shipping. It's a symphony of mechanical motion, turning loose candies into consumer-ready packages, ready to hit store shelves around the globe. Let's circle back to that mind-boggling number, billions of candies every single year. This isn't just a statistic, it's a testament to incredible industrial scale. Think about the energy, the planning, the raw materials, and the sheer number of operational hours that go into producing that many treats. Each M&M, each Snickers, each Skittle is part of a monumental global supply chain. This factory isn't just making candy, it's fueling moments of joy, celebration, and comfort for people all over the world, day after day, year after year. That's some serious sweet success. Operating at such a massive scale means constant innovation. Companies like Barry Callebaut, the world's largest chocolate factory, are investing serious cash, €250 million to be exact, into upgrading their facilities. This isn't just a facelift, it's a multi-year plan to modernize production lines, improve operational safety, and ensure they remain at the absolute cutting edge of confectionery manufacturing. This commitment to continuous improvement means even more efficient, safer, and higher quality candy production for years to come. The future of sweet treats is constantly being innovated. Behind every delicious bite is an incredible amount of science and engineering. These aren't just cooks, they're food scientists, mechanical engineers, and logistics experts. They meticulously craft recipes, design and maintain these giant machines, and optimize every single step of the production process. From understanding sugar crystallization to perfecting chocolate tempering, it's a highly scientific endeavor. This deep understanding ensures consistent taste, texture, and quality, making sure that every M&M, Snickers, or Skittle tastes exactly as you expect, every single time. It's truly sweet science. Now, while getting into the actual Mars Wrigley production area might be tougher than finding a golden ticket, some factories offer amazing glimpses. Jelly Belly, for instance, provides HD/4K tour videos showcasing a close-up view of their factory activities, even when their candy makers are home. This allows us to witness the intricate dance of machines and the meticulous work that goes into creating these sugary masterpieces. It's like a virtual Willy Wonka experience, revealing the magic without the need for a golden ticket or accidental Oompa Loompa encounters. Pure, unadulterated factory goodness. What happens after billions of candies are made and packaged? They embark on a global journey. From Waco, Texas, these beloved confectionery products are shipped worldwide, filling grocery store aisles, vending machines, and holiday stockings across continents. The economic impact of such a massive operation is staggering, supporting countless jobs from farm to factory to retail. It's more than just a sweet treat, it's a global phenomenon, connecting cultures and satisfying cravings everywhere. Every bite you take has traveled a long, fascinating path. So, there you have it, an exhilarating dive into the inner workings of the world's biggest candy factory. From the moment raw ingredients arrive to the second billions of perfectly crafted candies are shipped out, it's a spectacle of engineering, automation, and pure sweet passion. These factories aren't just making sugar, they're crafting joy on an industrial scale. And with continuous investment and innovation, the future of candy production looks brighter and sweeter than ever. Who knew so much magic went into your favorite chocolate bar? Now you do.